Hi, I'm Paula Doyle and I'm going to give you a few tips for hand quilting. What I'm going to show you that I'm making is this floral lattice quilting, and I like to start people out with hand quilting where there isn't any patchwork like in the quilt behind me, simply because it allows them to concentrate on the stitch itself and on performing the quilting stitch. So I'm just going to do another little stitch here, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to knot off or finish your line of quilting. Now, just a note, when you're doing your quilting, you can actually travel to any other place and start your line of quilting simply by inserting your needle into the surface of the quilt and coming up somewhere else to quilt. You can actually double travel as well if you need to go more than the distance of your needle.